Hey folks, Trailer Tim here. Today I'm going to show you a little trick I found to tighten up the wheel clamps on this wheel liner, John Bean V3300. The quick clamps on these get loose over time. The knob here, which when you turn, squeezes the clamp over the tire. It ratchets at a certain tension. It'll just spin and not clamp very well. So I found a way to tighten them rather than replacing them. Okay, I've just got the camera sitting on my workbench. First thing we're going to do is take off this clip. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. There we go. And then we're going to mark where this little wheel is here relative to the handle. And we're going to advance that one notch. Okay, so this washer will pop out, and it has two flats on the center of it that line up with two flats in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to rotate this clockwise approximately one flat or one notch on here, because this one isn't very loose. And we'll slip this back on, so when the flats line up with the handle, our notch should be at the next location here, which I think it is right here. Whoop, back that up a bit. Go back a bit more. There we go. So now that notch, which was here, is now here. And we'll put the snap ring back on. There we go. And we will try this on the wheel. All right, a little bit better now. You can hear that little creak as it tightens. That's how they were when this machine was brand new. So there, 3 more to go. Hope that helps. Cheers.